Okay, beta. Good afternoon, all of you. Beta, question number up to 1, 2, 3 we have completed in last class. The question number 4 I am taking. State whether each of the following statements are true or false. If the statement is false, rewrite the given statement correctly. ठीक है. So P में they have given you element M, N, and Q is a set whose element are N cross M. So just see that what will be the elements of P cross Q. P cross Q का मतलब first element we have to take from set M, P, and second element from set Q. So what will be the ordered pair? M, N, M, N, and N, N, or N, N. These are the four elements which belongs to cross Q. They have given you only two elements. Okay? So it is a false statement. The correct will be this one. Okay? In P cross Q, there will be four elements. They have given you only two elements, that is Mn or Nm. So this is the mistake here. We have four elements, Mn, Nm, Nn, or Nn. Now the second part, if A and B are non-empty sets, A cross B is a non-empty set of ordered pair X, Y such that X. ठीक है, तो they have given you second statement is correct. First was the false answer. Correct answer हमने लिख दिया है यहाँ पर. Second क्या है? Second आपका true है. अगर if it is false, then we have to correct is this one, but it is a true. What is the definition of ordered pair? ठीक है, ordered pair definition is if we find the value of A cross B, so XY is such that X belongs to such that X belongs to A cross B का मतलब है X is such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to B. This is correct. ठीक है, A cross B is the set having ordered pair in the form of XY, where X we have to take from set A and Y from set B. ठीक है, this is the A cross B, which is correct. So there no need to make any change. So question number 5. In question number 5, they have given you A equal to -1, 1. But we have to find out the value of A cross A cross A. We have to find out the value of A cross A cross A. ठीक है, इसका मतलब we have to make the order which is having X, Y, Z form such that X belongs to A and Y belongs to A and Z belongs to A. ठीक है, because they have given you ordered, this is the ordered pair नहीं है, it is a triplet, है ना. Whenever we want to find out the value of triplet, so we have to take the first element from first set, second element from second set, third element from third set. But all the elements belonging to set A, we have to find out the value of A cross A cross A. यानी कि we have from the set A. So what are the ordered pairs are possible? Okay, you have to give the answer. These answers will be first element we have to take 1, so -1, -1, -1. we can change the position -1, -1. Third, we are taking the second element, that is 1. फिर -1, 1, -1. ठीक है. There are two elements, the 2 to the 4 to the 8. There must be 8 elements. Similarly, we can take 1, -1, -1. ठीक है. Next term will be -1 we have taken. Now you can take 1, 1 and 1. Now we can change the position 1, -1, -1, 1, -1, 1 and -1, 1, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the element of set A cross A cross A. This is the order triplet. ठीक है. Order triplet में we have to take the 3 elements such that first element from second element from this side is, or है ना, here we are getting the only all the elements on all the sets are same. It may be different also, जैसे as we have taken A cross B या P cross Q. तो first element I have to take from first set, second element from second set, a third element from the third set. ठीक है. Here we are getting only one set, so we have taken from the set first one, that is set A. This is the A cross A cross A. Now we are taking the next question. That is the question number 6. Question number 6 में क्या given है? A cross B equal to AX BAY BX BY. ठीक है. There are 4 elements. So find the value of A and B. A set we have to find out and set B we have to find out. ठीक है. So just as the definition we have, the first element we take from set A and second element from set B. So by using the definition, we can get the element of set A, A, B, and the element of set B are X, Y. ठीक है. If we find the value of A cross B, AY, BX or BY. ठीक है. If we, this question we have do the conversely. Generally, they in the beginning they have given you that we have to find out the value of A cross B. Now they have given you the value of A cross B. Then we have find the value of set A and set B. But a question number 4 में third part is also there. So I have not seen in question number 4 का third part. I am just telling you now. 4 में third part में they have given you set A equal to 1, 2 and set B 3, 4 and A cross B intersection 5 equal to 5. ठीक है. तो ये it is a true statement. Why it is true? Just I am telling you. First of all, we will find out the value of B intersection 5. What is the value of B intersection 5 equal to? If we take the intersection we have with any set that we with 5, then we get the empty set. Now we can find the value of A cross B intersection 5. यानी कि we have to make the order pair with set 1, 2 and with set empty set. Empty set there is no element, so we cannot form any order pair. Then it is possible the answer will be 5. That's why it is 2. A cross B intersection 5 equal to 5. This was the third part of question number 4. Fifth, I have explained you earlier. Sixth, this one. Now I am taking question number 7. In question number 7, set A. In set A, the elements are 1, 2, and set B 3, 4. Write the element of, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Set A 1, 1, 2, set B, set C 5, 6. And set D 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. तो what we have to find out the value, वेरीफाई करना है आपको. क्या वेरीफाई करना है? A इंटरसेक्शन A क्रॉस B इंटरसेक्शन C इक्वल टू A क्रॉस B इंटरसेक्शन A क्रॉस C. ठीक है, तो इसको वेरीफाई करने के लिए first of all we calculate the value of, just I just solve here. ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में there is a क्रॉस B इंटरसेक्शन C. तो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड we are taking, ठीक है, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड equal to A, the element of set A is 1, 2 cross B intersection C. So B intersection C, there is only there is no element. है ना? B intersection C में there is no empty. This is an empty set, so the result will be the empty set only. Empty set you can write 5 also. It depends on you. ठीक है, right hand side if we want to solve, so right hand side equal to A cross B. A cross B means first of all we have to find out the all element of A cross B. That is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2. This is the element which we have find the value of A cross B. Intersection with A cross C. A cross C, this one, 1, 1, 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 6. This is the value of set A cross B, first one. This is the value of A cross C. Now we want to find out the intersection of these two sets. There is any element which is common to both? No. That is the empty set, which is equal to 5. So left hand side equal to right. Then we will try to find out the value of B cross B. Okay. What is the value of A cross C? A cross C first element we have to say take. देखो बेटा A cross C we have A cross C 1, 5, 1, 6, 2, 5, 2, 5, 2, 6. Now we are finding the value of B cross D. What is the value of B? Set first element we have to take from set B, or second is from D. So what will be the element of B cross D? These elements will be 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 7, 1, 8. and then 2 5 2 5 2 6 2 5 2 6 2 7 2 8, ठीक है, then 3 5 3 6 3 7 3 8 4 5 4 6 4 7 4 8, ठीक है. Now you observe that the what are the element of set A cross C also belonging to set B cross D. So 1 5 is also belonging, 1 6 also, 2 5. So 1 5 is here, 1 5 is here, 1 6 1 6. Then 2 5 2 5 is here, and 2 6 is here. All the element of A cross C is also belonging to set B cross D. So A cross C is a subset of B cross D, which is true. यही हमें शो करना था, वेरीफाई करना था, वो हमने वेरीफाई कर दिया. So this question I have completed question number. This was the question. Now we take the question number, next question. In question number 8 में है बेटा, is a set whose elements are 1 2 and set B their elements are 3 4. Write the A cross B. How many subsets will A cross B have? List them. ठीक है. So A cross B, first of all the number of element of A cross B equal to कितना होगा, number of element of set A into number of element of set B. That is 2 into 2. That is equal to 4. What will be the element? Now we can find the element are 1 3 1 4 2 3 2 4. These are the elements. Now we want to find the subset of these sets, है ना. So how many subset? Number of subset equal to क्या होता है? Number of subset equal to 2 the power n. N means number of 4 elements. That will be the 16 elements. So you have to list them also. So how will you list all the elements? For listing you have to write all the elements. यानी कि all the elements will be 1 3 this is the one set. Okay, one by one we can take. This is the one set, 1 3 we are taking. Next one is 1 4 we are taking. Fifth we are taking 2 3. Only one element. First of all we have taken one element. Now we can take the order pair taking two elements. यानी कि 1 3 1 4 1 3 2 3 1 3 2 4 1 3 के साथ we have taken 1 4 2 3 and 2 4. Now we can take with respect to 1 4 2 3 and with respect to 1 4 we can take 4. Now you can make the ordered pair with 2 3 2 4. Now you can make the order pair taking 3 at a time. 3 at a time, if we take 1 3, 1 4, 2 3. Now we can take 1 4, 2 3, 2 4. Now we can take 1 3, 2 3, 2 4. Now we can take 1 4. How many we have got here? 1 2 3 4, 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 1 is 14. 14 will be if we take 1 4, 1 3, 1 4, 1 3 we have not taken, no? 1 4, 1 3 and 2 4. And one element will be 1 3, 2 4, 1 4, taking 4 at a time. 2 3 and 2 4. Okay, and one set is empty set. This is the number of 6. Total will be the 16 subset. Now you can down, first of all, we have taken 1 at a time, 3, 4, 2 at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 elements. Now we have taken 3 at a time, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then we have taken 4 at a time. Okay, then the last one was the 5. So we got the these type of elements. 4 to 1. Okay. Then we have taken 1 at a time, 4 elements, 4 or 6, 10, 10 for 14, 14 or this one is 15. There is no element that is including, that is, okay. This we have taken. So how many elements subsets are possible to the power 64 equal to 16? What will be the elements? I have written all the elements which are possible. Okay. Now we have completed this question. Now question. What is the ninth question? Ninth question where they have given you A and B be two such that n is equal to 3. Question number 9 है and A equal to 3 and B equal to 2. If x1 and y2 and z1 are in A cross B, find A and B where x, y, z are the distinct elements. We have to find out the value of set A or set B. ठीक है, set A or set B की value we have to find out. So we know that if they have given the element of A cross B means the first element we have to take set A and second element from set B. In the first element, that is set A, there are 3 elements they have mentioned. In second set, that is set B, there are 2 elements. Okay. The total number of elements are in set A 3 and set B 2. So we have to write the element of set A. So first element will be the belonging to set A. That is X, Y, and Z. And what will be the element of set B? That will be 1 and 2. This is a very simple question. You have to write the element of set A and set B. So this is the question is also completed. Now we are taking the question number 10. Question number 10. The Cartesian product of A cross A, यानी कि and A cross A, they have given you 9 elements, among which are found minus कुछ element they have mentioned here. A cross A के अंदर there are some elements which are -1, 0 and 0, 1. Find the set A and the remaining element of set A cross A. ठीक है, तो सेम इसी तरीके से जो मेथड वी हैव अडॉप्टेड हियर, द सेम मेथड है. Here they have the different set A or B. Here we are getting the same set. So same set में तो first element is also belonging to set A and second element also belonging to A. But they are 9 elements. So it is clear that कि A cross A के अंदर है तो n A is equal to कितना implies equal to 3 because 3 3 is 9. The number of element of set A into number of element of set A, the product of both the should be equal to 9. It is possible only one if we take number of element of set A equal to 3. So they have given you A cross A, they have given. This is not the complete A cross A. Some element. These are the some element. It is not the complete set A cross A. Okay. This is the some element they have mentioned. Just I am not writing equal. This is I am writing the arrow symbol. So it means what will be the element of set A? It should be equal to -1, and -1, 0 and 1. Okay. All the elements belonging to this group -1, 0 or 1 we have taken in A. So if we find out the value of A cross A, so there should be element 9, but they have given you only 2 elements. By seeing the 2 elements, we find the set A. Now we can find the value of A cross A. So A cross A के अंदर first of element we have to take from set A, second also from A, -1, 0, okay, -1, 1. Now you can take these elements with respect to 0, 0, -1, 0, 0 and 0, 1. And third one is 1, -1 and 1, 0 and 1, 1. So now we got the all the elements belonging to set A cross A. ठीक है, this we have done by seeing the only these 2 elements, we find the value of set A. After getting the value of A, we get the value of A cross. So how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were the 9 elements in set A cross A. We got all the elements. ठीक है बेटा? So we have completed this exercise, that is the exercise 1.1. So you can complete this exercise up to 10 questions, or you have to do the example also, question number 3rd. It is similar to the as I have done the question number 7th one. Okay. So example 3rd you have to do especially, and the remaining 10 questions. So after doing the 10 questions, the 11th question you have to solve. That is the example 3. Okay, this will be the homework for today. Now, first of all, you complete this exercise. Then I will start the next. That will be the next one, 2.2. If you want to ask any problem, any doubt, then you can ask now. Okay. So, Rohit sir. Hello.